Claude Fable 5 and Google's Gemini are two of the most capable AI models in 2026. But which one is actually better? In this next 3 minutes, I will compare their performance, coding skills, reasoning, multimodal features, pricing, and help you decide which one is worth using. Intro. Both models have improved significantly over previous generations, but they are built with different priorities. Cloudy Fable 5 focuses on reasoning, coding, and long form content, while Gemini is designed to work seamlessly across Google's ecosystem with strong multimodal capabilities. Let's compare them. Performance and reasoning. Cloudy Fable 5 stands out for complex reasoning, structured thinking, and handling long conversations. It's particularly strong when solving technical problems or analyzing detailed documents. Gemini is also highly capable and performs well across a wide range of tasks. It responds quickly and excels at retrieving and organizing information, especially when integrated with Google services. Winner, Cloudy Fable 5 for deep reasoning, Gemini for speed and everyday productivity. Coding and development. For developers, Cloudy Fable 5 is one of the strongest coding assistants available. It generates clean code, explains complex logic, and is excellent for debugging and large programming projects. Gemini supports many programming languages and integrates well with Google's developer tools. It's a solid option for coding, but many developers prefer Cloudy for difficult programming tasks. Winner, Cloudy Fable 5. Multimodal features. Gemini has a clear advantage in multimodal AI. It works with text, images, audio, video, and integrates naturally with Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Android devices. Cloudy Fable 5 also supports multimodal inputs, but focuses more on document analysis and conversational accuracy than ecosystem integration. Winner, Gemini. Pricing and best use cases. Both platforms offer access with paid plans that unlock higher usage limits and advanced features. Choose Cloudy Fable 5 if you write long form content, code regularly, need advanced reasoning, analyze large documents, and choose Gemini if you use Google Workspace daily, if you need strong image and multimedia capabilities, if you want seamless productivity across Google apps. Final verdict. There is no universal winner. If your priority is coding, reasoning, and handling complex tasks, Cloudy Fable 5 is the better choice. If you want an AI that's deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem with excellent multimodal features, Gemini is the better fit. Your best choice depends on how you plan to use AI every day. If you found this comparison helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more AI comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which AI are you using in 2026. Thanks for watching and goodbye.